I'd like you to put the draft pack on your desk so that we can go through each component. So clear off the desk that you're on right now and place the draft pack on top of that desk. Let's open the draft pack. 2 latches on the front. If you raise it up, it's hinged on the back. What I'd like you to do is just rest the cover on top for a moment. You'll notice that there is tape secured to a parallel bar. Would you please remove this tape from the parallel bar? The parallel bar should slide smoothly up and down on that drawing surface. Let's look at the parts of this drawing surface first before I continue with the tools inside of the box. This is an Ames drafting board, and it's kind of a self-contained unit. You can see that your drawing surface here is attached with Phillips head screws. You have several screws here. Let me show you what they look like. You have about 6 Phillips head screws that are located around the perimeter of this drawing surface. They can be removed if you have trouble sliding this parallel bar up and down. You'll also notice that you have 2 holes on the sides. 2 here, and there's also 2 on the other side. They're used to carry a bracket, and that bracket can be found in your front tray here. So let's pull that bracket out. This is what it looks like. It's in a plastic package, and it's 2 metal brackets. So if you would, open up those 2 brackets. These 2 brackets, they have a knob on the end of them. You see this round peg? This peg fits inside of those 2 holes that you saw on the sides. Now you'll notice that it's got a flat base on it. And you'll also notice that the draft pack has a slot located on the box itself. This bracket fits inside of that slot on both sides. So I've inserted that. I'm going to insert those brackets on both sides. You see how that sets in? Now, with the pegs to the inside, I have holes to secure my pack. There's several different positions that you can position this drawing surface on the box. I'll show you the 3 different positions. The first one is the top notch, the top peg. Would you do this for me? Secure it on that peg on both sides of the board. Do the same thing. Turn the board. Remove this drawing surface. Just turn it around like this so that you can set it on one of those 2 peg settings. This allows for the drafting board surface to be at a 1 incline. If you set it up against the desk, it changes the incline of the board. And then to access the tray, you have to reach way back here to access the tray. Any questions on the operation of that drafting board surface? What I'd like to do now is talk about the equipment and go through the tool list. So what I'd like you to do is disassemble your drawing board. And I'd like you to remove the cover and set it aside somewhere.